I got back home, they were totally dry, and here is where I added a faux clay finish. I just poured the same 3 colors onto a paper plate, and taking any sort of paintbrush, it doesn't really matter what type, then you can start layering on the different colors to give it a bunch of texture and dimension. So here I am with the smaller planter. It has gravel road as the base coat, and I'm dabbing on the dried sage just randomly. And then what you can do is take a damp shop cloth or damp towel or rag, and you can just blend it in until you actually like the looks of what you see. After I dabbed on the dried sage, then I moved on to the chocolate. And here I am taking a blue shop towel, which I always keep in my shop. I'm misting it with my water mister to get it damp. And now I'm just going to blend and have those colors kind of blend together so it looks more natural. Again, there's no right or wrong way to do this. You can just keep playing with it until you really like what you see and it starts looking authentic to you. I used the exact same technique on the other 2 doll head planters, just kind of rearranging the colors that I'm doing it in, or the order that I'm doing the 3 different colors. And then on the 1 medium planter, I added a little terracotta into it to give it a totally different look, which really warmed it up and gives it like a clay sort of beautiful finish. And for the largest doll head planter, I added a little bit of green. And was it olive green? Oh, I don't recall what green it was, but I have it on my blog post. I'll link it down below. So I added another green just to give it some green undertones, which gave it a more mossy sort of concrete look that's been sitting outside. So let's go back to the before. Here's the before. And here's the planters after.